a kitten eye done 2 different ways. I'll show you how. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Bobby and today's video is all about a kitten eye or a puppy eye, or call it whatever you want. But it is, in my opinion, the perfect eyeliner look for someone who has mature hooded eyes. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to create the kitten eye. First, let me show you the tools I'm going to use. First, I'm going to use LA Girl Ultimate Eye. You need an eyeliner that you can actually maneuver for a little while, and then you want it to be something that won't smudge later. And in my opinion, this works great. An eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the Sweet Tart from Tarte Cosmetics. Then you need 3 tools for the actual kitten eyeliner part. The Rephr number 3 brush, the BK Beauty 204 brush, this is the BK Beauty 208, and that's it. First, we want to create a good canvas. I'm going to fill in my whole lid with a concealer, and I'm using a Real Techniques brush. I forgot to mention this, but I will list it below. So completely cover it up the entire way, all the way from under your brow to your eyelashes. And this should be about the same color as your skin. Then I just take a little sponge and just kind of like smooth it out. Then I take a setting powder and I just use a simple fluffy brush and set all of the concealer. Now take your eyeliner, hold your eye with a little puff, that's easier, and go about 1/4 of the way on your lower lid. Take it and have it go a little bit past it, but go up. And then smudge that using your pencil brush to go about halfway over. And then smudge it just a little bit higher. Now line your upper lash line very softly across, and you're going to go again about 1/4 of the way across your eye. Then take that same pencil brush and smudge it to about halfway through. So what you want to do is just a very soft, smudgy line. Nothing is going to be harsh. You can see how the 2 connect. That's what you want to have happen. Now I figured that I needed a little bit more, so I went in again, and then again I'm just going to take that same pencil brush and smudge it. Now I'm going to take the liner and like kind of have it angle upward. You want nothing going downward, everything going up, but this is very slight. This is not a distinct line at all. And then I'm taking that really short brush and having it go up. You can see how it flicks up a little bit. On the right eye, I'm going to use eyeshadow instead. Sorry about the focus here. It went out, but it gets better. So just do the same thing, but you're using eyeshadow. And it's really much easier if you get an angled brush like I did here. And flick it out just a little bit. Now the upper, same thing. And it's just really important that you keep it really close to your lash line. And this one doesn't really need smudging because it's a pencil. So you're just going to really use this brush to have that look of smudging, but it's just a really soft line. As you can see, they just connect. Now you're going to take it and flick it upwards just a little bit. Again, this is not dramatic. This is very slight. And just make sure it's all completely filled in. At this point, I'm looking at my eye and I'm thinking my eye's a little bit too wide, so I'm using my finger there to kind of smudge it a little bit. So there's the difference in the 2 eyes. Now let's complete the rest of the eye look. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes using a Sephora curler. It's really important that you get a soft curl. And I always use this comb afterwards. It just separates my lashes. And I'm going to use a primer first for my lashes. And then I'm going to go in with the actual mascara. This one's a two-sided mascara, so this is the actual mascara. And I like a soft, natural lash. And I don't always, but sometimes I put some on the bottom lashes, but very little, not much at all. Now I'm going to brush up my eyebrows with a brow gel just to make sure everything is colored in, because my eyeshadow might have gotten on it. Otherwise, you might have sparkles or things on your brows. Now I'm using the new e.l.f. Brow Lift. This is kind of like a gel, and I think it's easier to kind of smush it into it before I put it on my brow. It kind of works it all into the bristles, just real lightly, and it really does work well. I think it makes a huge difference when your brows are brushed correctly. And this is the completed look with the two different eyes. They don't look that different, but you can choose which one you like. The one on the right, my left, is a little bit more angled up than the one on my right, which is your left. If you would like ideas for doing a soft glam look and a full glam look, I'm going to link a video right here that will take you to a step-by-step video on how to do that, and I do this kitten eye in that video. I will see you maybe over there or in another video. God bless.